Welcome back. I'll be showing how I combine two wonderful seeds and nuts to make a refreshing and healthy nut milk. So to make this homemade nut milk, I'll be making use of almond seed. I'll be using about 200 grams of almond seed. So I'm going to pour it into a bowl, add water and leave it to soak for about 8 hours or overnight. I'll be making use of Brazil nut. I will be using just 3 seeds of the Brazil nut. It is recommended to consume 2 or 3 seeds of Brazil nut a day. So I'm going to allow it to soak for about 8 hours. I also make use of coconuts. So I'm going to cut the coconuts into smaller pieces for easy blending. So after about 8 hours of soaking all the nuts, so I'm going to sieve to remove the water, then rinse them properly. So when I'm done rinsing, I will set aside. I'll be adding about 3 cups of water into the blender. I'm also going to be using dates to sweeten this drink. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. So I'm going to remove the seed from the dates and add the dates into the blender. I will start by adding the coconut, Brazil nut and the almond nut into the blender. Then cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to use nut milk bag to sieve to get the milk. You can use the leftover pulp to bake your cookies or cake. And store the milk in a glass jar and keep it in the fridge for about 3 days. Please always shake well before serving. Finally, the almond, coconut and Brazil nut milk is ready. This milk contains nutrients and minerals that will help to support brain function, improve thyroid function, so lower blood sugar. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.